Thanks for joining. We are continuing our journey through Chrissy Teigen's new cookbook, Cravings All Together, and today we are making orange chicken sandwich. It's her take on Panda Express's famous orange chicken, and she said that she freaking couldn't wait to talk about this recipe, so we freaking can't wait to make it and try it for ourselves. There's quite a bit of ingredients. I had most of them at home already, which was nice. Again, I would read ahead and get a feel for what you're gonna need to do ahead of time. I think it will make it less work. First step, dredging the chicken.
So you can choose either chicken breast or chicken thighs. I did chicken thighs because they're more flavorful. So all we had to do was just marinate it in a little quick mixture. And the mixture was soy sauce, orange juice, orange zest, sesame oil, and a little minced garlic. And then we just put it in the fridge for 24 hours, or you could just leave it on the counter for an hour and let it marinate. And then we are ready to start dredging. Okay, so for dredging the chicken, we just needed a cup of flour with some salt, black pepper, and paprika, 2 eggs scrambled, and then just a cup of panko breadcrumbs. So we're gonna take our chicken, we're gonna drop it into our seasoned flour. Make sure we get the flour on both sides. We're gonna drop it into the egg, drop it into the breadcrumbs. You wanna make sure we get it all covered.
So normally when I do something similar, I will dredge it and then fry it. And then the next piece, I dredge it and then I fry it. But this one, she said to dredge it all and let it sit, and that's key to helping it stick when frying. All right, step 2. For the orange sauce, there's 2 parts. There is first this mixing, which includes some vegetable oil and cornstarch. And you're gonna wanna mix this thoroughly until the cornstarch is completely melted. When I said oil, I meant vinegar. It smells awesome.
It does.
That's a lot of vinegar. I've never cooked with this much vinegar before.
I know.
In one recipe. And I ran out of little bowls, Kat, so I threw everything in one. So I don't know if I can remember all what's in here. I know there's honey, orange juice, some more orange zest, a little bit of sesame oil. I think there's a little bit of soy sauce. Oh, chili garlic sauce. Oh, and yes. There's a lot of ingredients. It was hard to remember. Okay, and for part 2, you're going to need a small saucepan. All right, step 3, let's do the slaw. As with any good slaw, you'll need your cabbage, some carrots, and red onion. I like to mix my dry ingredients first before I add the sauce stuff. So I feel like it just mixes easier when it's dry. All right, that's good. Okay, and for the dressing, we just need mayo and a little bit of Dijon mustard, or Chinese hot mustard if you have it. I do not.
Okay, I'm using the QP. Is it QP? QPie?
QPie.
The Japanese mayo. And then you add in a little more sesame oil.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of sesame oil in this.
I know.
Sure.
Yes, a little bit more sesame oil. Oh, and then you do add salt. You add in a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt.
I like seeing color in my slaw. The store-bought stuff is usually like whitish green color. Okay, that touch of sesame oil does make a difference. I added just a small touch of it.
And now all we have to do is fry our chicken up. Gina, do not burn yourself.
Let's see if I get splattered. Nice. You don't want to overcrowd them, so make sure the pieces you put in do not touch one another. So I would just do 1 or 2 pieces at a time. She does recommend toasting your buns. There's too much going on right now. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh.
And then a big scoop of our homemade coleslaw right on top. And there you go. We have an orange chicken fried chicken sandwich courtesy of Miss Chrissy Teigen. It is her knockoff of Panda Express's orange chicken, but in a sandwich so that we can eat more of it. I need a napkin.
Okay, I'll go first. This does not taste like Panda Express Orange Chicken. I think it's better. I put extra zest in mine because I knew I wanted a strong orange flavor. I taste a lot of orange and it tastes fresh and I love it. I love the crunch of the chicken. I love the crunch of the slaw and the texture of it all. It looks pretty and it just tastes so good.
It does not taste like orange chicken that we're used to from Panda Express. It is an elevated version, so I actually really like this. I think this is a winner.
This is
It's
not
a
a
lot of
date
work.
night food though. It's very messy.
No, but it is a lot of work.
Would you make it again?
Probably not.
What? So if my family likes it, I would make it again.
We're gonna enjoy the rest of our sandwich, so make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any more videos. We're gonna finish the rest of the month off with more Chrissy Teigen recipes, so stay tuned and we'll see you guys next week. Bye. This is gonna clear the nostril a little.